What's up, guys? It's your girl Mac Cox from Maccouture Crafting, and yes, we're here with another Notions for Notions video. This one is all about acrylic templates. Now, if you are like me, you find these amazing patterns, right? And they're paper, and so I'm trying to cut around it, and then I'm trying to get a bunch of them, use freezer paper or use template plastic and all of that. And granted, I don't like it, especially if it's one that you want to use over and over and over again. And this is one we're going to do at some point. I've been dying to do it, but I just wasn't excited about it being paper. So I've got this paper one and I had it made into a acrylic template. And this is where it's at, guys. I can run my rotary cutter right up against this. I can make this a ton of times. Now, you need to be, you guys need to be careful. This one right here was a free pattern that I had just turned into a template because it's going to be easier, especially when you get to these little points right here. They're like a little off. They're not quite straight and that kind of thing, which is so cool because he gets such precision with the way that he does these templates. However, you can't try to take somebody's stuff and make a bunch of them. If you purchase the pattern, you're going to use it. You are the owner. You should go on ahead and have this done, especially if you're going to continue to use them. I just love this. And I've had this done for several of my patterns now. And I just like it so much better. I do not enjoy using a paper template. Sometimes we do what we have to do and it's necessary. But if you want to, hang with the big dogs, this is how to do it. This is acrylic. It is, I want to say like, it's not a 1/4 inch thick, but it's pretty thick. You guys see it? It's perfect. And you can use some of those grippy tapes that go on the back. You just have to pick which one is your favorite. I am trying a medical tape now. We're going to see how I like that. And I love that he's got everything that you see is burned into the template, which makes me very, very, very happy. This is great. This is a great option. I just can't stand using paper templates. I'm pretty sure one day I'm going to nip a nail behind using paper templates. So I just wanted to let you guys know, all you have to do is send Tyler an email and then he will email you back. You guys can talk about if you want to blow it up, if you want to shrink it. He's really, really good. If you want to have some made from scratch yourself, he can also help you with that. It's just been such a pleasant experience working with him. And I wanted to let you guys know, I wanted to hurry up and get this Notions for Notions video out. Acrylic templates and where to get them made. This is just, it's a lifesaver. Again, usually when you purchase a pattern, it says your name at the bottom that you purchased it. And usually you should only be getting one. Maybe your friend bought one too, so you're going to send them, one. But yeah, just this is how you do it. Really excited about that, guys. And I want you guys to be excited about it too. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share me with your friends. Share me, share me, share me. Lots of things coming, lots of changes, lots of great stuff happening. Right now we are in like quilt week. There's a lot happening this particular week. We've got grand openings and we've got shows, and then we have more shows. It's happening. This is a poppin' time for quilting. So again, guys, this is how you get acrylic templates from Design Concepts. I'm going to leave the information to Design Concepts, their website, Tyler's email below, and that way you can send him your template. I sent him my template, and then I sent him just a message saying, hey, I'd like this, and it's super affordable. I think I paid a few dollars for this. Like, it's not, especially for something that you're going to use over and over and over again. There are some templates that you just know you want to continue to use. So again, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, please share. And I will see you guys on the next one. All right, bye-bye.